Last one, and the one with the biggest bill if you leave it too long. When brake pads wear down to the metal, they stop gripping the disc properly. Your stopping distance increases, and in an emergency, that gap matters. Most drivers wait until they hear grinding. By then, the metal pad has already scored the disc surface. Now it is new pads plus a new disc. The cost doubles. A squeal is the pad warning you. A grind means you already waited too long. Look at the squeal. That is all 5. See you at Autoshinka.